Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture we have learned about until loops and today we will learn about for loops in Ruby. When we want to execute our code for fixed amount time, for example I want to loop my code for 10 times, or if I am having specified element list and I want to loop throughout each and every element. So in this all scenario we can use loop that is called for loop. Here you can see the syntax. I need to write the defined keyword that is for and our variable list, and our code block starts with the keyword do, and we will perform the block of code that we need to execute for each amount of instance in the defined variable, and the block ends with the keyword end. In this example I have created a counter and want to loop it between 1 to 10 times. So what I had did is I had written for and our counter, that is a variable, in 1 double dot 10. Double dot is an operator that we will see later. So that will what actually do is it will iterate from 1 to 10 and execute the block of code, and after the execution it will end. So this is how we can easily work with for loop. Now we will see practical examples of for loop. For and my counter in 1 to 10 do and my blocks end. Now what I need to do is I am printing my variable put as and counter is and my value, that is counter. So this will execute my program from 1 to 10 times. It will execute this block starting from 1 ending till 10. Ruby and my execution of program, and here we will see the output. We have added counter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this is how we can work with for loop. We can iterate through an array as well. If I am defining an array, that will also work over here. Let me say I am creating one array over here. Suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 learn one. Have a good day. I'm my variable is, and I'm putting out variable name over here. Now let's run this program again. Let me say ruby for loop.rb, that is my program name, and here we can see that my first variable is 1 2 3 4 5 6 learn one, and last is have a good day. So this is how we can iterate over a specified number of times by using for loop. In next lecture we will learn about looping statements, and we will start with break statement.